Right, so this is my impromptu setup for this morning. Right now it is currently 6:54 a.m. Yeah, today we're attempting to buy the Yeezy Boost 380 Onyx Reflective. So I'm in the waiting room right now. It is early, but I need to get set up quickly, so give me a second. I should have done this earlier, but for some reason I didn't. So I've got my laptop, I've got my iPad, and now I've got the phone on a data plan, so they're not all on the same Wi-Fi. Waiting room is live. We are up. So this one's on 3G, or 4G rather. And we're in the waiting room. So now we just sit back and wait. I haven't done a waiting room in such a long time. Like, it's just been Adidas app raffles. This is too damn early in the morning. I feel like this is just gonna be so limited. I'm gonna call it now. I say half an hour. And it's gone. Half an hour, all pairs are gone. That's my prediction. Should I do multiple Chrome? All right, I'm gonna get a couple more pages up. Let's get greedy over here. Or one Chrome page, one Safari page. It is now 7:01 a.m. in the morning. We are here trying to buy the Yeezy 380 in the Onyx Reflective colorway. Now I've already got the regular version. I managed to win a raffle. I haven't paid yet, so I guess I haven't secured it 100%. They just said you've won, so they're gonna send me a link so that I can pay for it. I do want it. I do want this reflective version. Oh man, I remember how painful waiting rooms are. Especially like the long ones that you wait for like 2 hours sometimes. I've waited before. This one I think is gonna be a quick one. We're only 6 minutes in and sale has started on everything, so it's all updating. Better keep it in my view so I can actually see. It is 7 minutes past 7. I've already been hit with all of the raffle emails saying that I have lost the draw. So now, today, Adidas, this is kind of the Hail Mary. This is the model that we're trying to cop. The calcite is this colorway. We're trying to get the triple black version. I think this is still gonna be my favorite. Apparently there's under 1,000 pairs of these. That's ridiculous. So if we get it, if we get a pair, that is going to be pretty crazy. It's always worth a shot. You never know. You never know. Oh my, I am in. Holy, okay, shit. Have I got autofill? Let me get my shit. Shit! Alright, we're in. Let's go. Review and pay. Boom, no way. Are you kidding me? Tell me, please work. Payment failed? What? PayPal? Please, PayPal. We're in. Security prompt, what the fuck? Hey, come on. We're in. They had all sizes left. No way. We're in again. This is crazy. This one's in. Just got one unprocessed on there. Right, I'm trying the second one. This one's not working. Saying everything's out of stock. Like, they keep saying out of stock on all of it. But I got one and it's my size. What the hell? This is crazy. I am honestly, like, I'm shook. I really didn't expect to get one. It's saying they've got a size 7.5 and a 13 left. However, every time I go in, it just says your bag is empty. We've got a pair. So far, we've got a pair. This was gonna be a damn boring video if I didn't get one. That is pretty much the release. Looks like it is sold out now. It's sold out on here. This one, let's see if I refresh. This one's not saying sold out, but I'm sure it is. Either way, I need to go and have breakfast. I need to go and have a protein shake. I need to go and train. And I will see you in the next couple hours. Alright, so we got a pair of the Yeezys, but of course it is Black Friday, so we do have to kind of check out what's going on, what kind of deals are out here for sneakers. So I had a little look and I kind of accumulated some of my favorite deals that's going on right now. The first rule of Black Friday is you need to remember you do not need to buy anything. That should be your rule number one. Do not feel pressured that it is just a day of a bunch of sales and you feel like, oh, if I don't get it now, I'm gonna miss out. There's sales year round. I know Black Friday is particularly a day where there are a lot of deals going on, but how I kind of do it is, listen, if you needed something, Black Friday is probably a great time to buy it. But if you didn't need anything, then you probably don't need it even with all the discounts. Having said that, I got some deals for you, so let's get into them. Of course, the main places to go is Adidas and Nike. Now, Adidas and Nike sales at the moment are not actually that great. So the Black Friday offer that Adidas has is up to 50%, and they do have some gems in here, but it's few and far between. So for me, the Adidas website was a little bit of a miss this year. There wasn't anything that great. Considering the amount of discount you can get on other retailers, the 25% just isn't cutting it. Now the next one is a retailer called Hannen. Now Hannen is actually a pretty cool place. I only found them out because they do a lot of sneaker raffles, and you know, I enter a lot of raffles through Hannen. You probably have heard of them. I'm obviously not going to go through all of them, but two of my favorite picks was the Air Max 720 ISPA in this silver colorway. This is going for £90 or 89.50 to be exact. This was a £180 shoe, so this is a hefty discount. Now also another really cool one is the Nike Air Zoom Type. I did a review on this shoe. I love it. It kind of reminds me of the Sacai Vapor Waffle that just recently released. So if you like that shoe, this one is kind of I mean, maybe not a good supplement, but it's slightly similar to that one. Now this one you can get for 91 bucks, down from 130, and there is a solid amount of sizes left. So this is just to give you a taster of the discounts that are on Hannen. Now another one, and probably the one that I am going to be rinsing today, I'm going to be buying a lot of stuff from here, is Zara. So again, if you kind of watch any of my videos, especially the clothing haul videos, I've gotten stuff from Zara before, and I've mentioned how much I like kind of the basics, the essentials, the oversized stuff, the cargo pants. This is a great place to go. So a lot of the stuff that I wear is from Zara, and right now they're doing a 40% off sale. So a lot of stuff on here, including a lot of winter stuff, which is exactly what we need right now. A lot of jackets, a lot of hoodies, a lot of sweatshirts, and a lot of jeans, joggers, all of that stuff. And there was nothing in particular that I thought was great. It's just literally like loads of their stuff that is 40% off. So definitely recommend grabbing some stuff from here, because I was paying full price like last week. So now I'm kind of like, well, I wish I would have waited a week to grab all of this in the 40% off. Another one is Foot Asylum. Now it's a little bit, it's okay, it's nothing amazing. Now what I did want to mention, and what they have been doing, is they've been doing these daily kind of shock drop things. It's not really a shock drop, but they do these daily releases, and I think they started it last week on Friday, and every single day they've been restocking pairs of shoes. Now it has been some crazy good ones up until now, like the Jordan 1 Band mid, Jordan 1 Shadow mid. They did a bunch of other mids and lows and stuff like that. So this is definitely something to look out for. Now, you only have, I think, another 3 days to unlock. Saturday, however, is another one, Sunday, and then of course Cyber Monday. So 3 more days on Foot Asylum to look out for those drops. Again, 8 a.m. Another one is Foot District. Now, Foot District, again, I have shopped with them before, but not very often, because normally you get taxed heavy with shipping, because I think it's somewhere in Europe. I don't actually know particularly where. But you can get the triple white Ultra Boost 1.0, and there is a decent amount of sizes left. Anything from an EU 36 all the way up to a 44. So if you're in that size range, this is an 160 euros down to 96. We're moving over to Offspring. Now, Offspring is actually one of the biggest surprises for me, because they have been killing it with the discounts. First of all, they've got 20% off on a lot of stuff, like new releases, like the Pharrells, the core black Pharrells and the white ones. They had 20% off of those. Of course, they sold out super quick, but let me rattle off some of my favorites that I've seen on here. First one, the Air Force One in the wheat colorway. This is the Co.jp one that I reviewed on the channel. You're getting 20% off. What the hell? That's amazing. Next up, we've got the Jordan 1, the Jordan 1 Crater, I think it is. But either way, you've got a couple sizes in this one. Again, 20% off. The Comme des Garçons Dunk, CDG Dunk, that is insane. I I think they've got a decent amount of sizes. Bruh, the Space Hippies are on sale, not for 20%, but a whole 40% off. Now the Space Hippie 04 to be exact, they do have all of the colorways, the OG or the first colorway that released. However, this one is in a limited size run. I think they've only got a 3, 3.5, 5, and a 6.5 left. And lastly, for Offspring, you've got the Nike Air Presto for 48% off. Now this is the South Korea one. I think I did a review, or either way, I got them in hand and I really liked this colorway. It's a bit crazy, it's a bit wild, but it is super, super nice, and you're getting it for 60 bucks. Now, some other ones that I wanted to talk about was StockX. So this one is a little bit of a tricky one. So how they're doing it is they're basically giving away some crazy prizes. First of all, you basically win a prize by buying a pair of shoes from StockX. So when you make a purchase, or it doesn't have to be a pair of shoes, when you make a purchase on StockX, they give you basically win a prize. Now, there's different prizes that are up for grabs. So the grand prizes, or the biggest prizes possible, are free sneakers for 1 year, free streetwear for 1 year, $10,000 StockX credit, and $5,000 StockX credit. And you can also win a bunch of different sneakers like the Sacai LD Waffle, the Sean Weatherspoons, the Jordan 12 University Gold, all kinds of crazy shoes that are pretty solid. You know, if you're just making a purchase, then you're getting a free pair of shoes. Maybe, I don't know. There's also some whack stuff. I would just kind of look at it as if you were going to buy something there and you kind of saved it till now, perfect. You're getting an opportunity to win something. Thank you for coming through. It's been a bit of a crazy day. I'm sure that's going to continue throughout the weekend. Tomorrow we have the Jordan 4 Fire Red, we have the Yeezy 380 Onyx in the regular bummy ass colorway, which I'm not gonna get because I'm reflective boys right now, okay? Either way, I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and of course, subscribing. I'll catch you all in the next one, but until then.